Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to talk about what is the Instagram Reels template feature that is coming soon. What exactly is this all about? So if I tap on the Reels icon, and let's just say for an example I see this specific reel and I want to use this reel as a template as like a guide for when I create my Reels video. If I tap on the three dots beneath the share button, there is going to be a feature here that says use as template, and you can go onto Google, and there's this article, I'll leave it linked up in the description. If you see here, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to say use as template. You can see it says it right there, and it's going to show you how it works. So if I scroll down some more, you can see the original reel will be at the top there, and you can just record your reel with that one that you used as a template as the guide for your reel, which is pretty cool. And I think that's going to be a nice feature coming to Instagram. So you can read about this. I'm not going to read it on this video, but I will leave this article linked up in the description. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.